Satvik. Hey Vihan. Today's quiz will only be about India.
Nice. No foreign facts this time?
Great. Let's start. Who will tell first?
I'll begin. Which is the largest state in India?
Rajasthan.
Correct.
My turn. What is the smallest state by area?
Goa.
Yes, the beach paradise.
It's my turn now. Which river is known as the son of Bihar?
Kosi River.
Correct.
Which city is known as the city of lakes?
Udaipur.
Correct.
Now, what is the highest mountain peak located in India?
Kanchenjunga.
Located in Sikkim.
Who was the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal?
Kannam Malleshwari in weightlifting.
She won bronze in 2000 Sydney Olympics.
Which state is famous for Kathakali dance?
Kerala.
Yes, with colorful costumes.
Now, what is the famous Indian monument which is the symbol of love?
Taj Mahal.
Built by Shah Jahan for Mumtaz Mahal.
Who was the first Prime Minister of independent India?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
Correct.
Which Indian state is the largest producer of tea?
Assam.
Correct.
Now, what is the national aquatic animal?
Ganges River Dolphin.
Not many people know that.
Who wrote the Indian national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, Jana Mana.
Which Indian city is known as the Silicon Valley of India?
Bangalore.
Correct.
Now, what is the oldest mountain range located in India?
Aravalli Range.
Millions of years old.
Who was the first Indian to be in space?
Rakesh Sharma.
He said Sare Jahan se acha from space.
Which Indian festival is known as the Festival of Colors?
Holi.
Correct.
Now, what is the largest dam located in India?
Hirakud Dam in Odisha.
Yes, very famous.
Which state has the most UNESCO heritage sites?
Maharashtra.
With the sites like Ajanta and Ellora.
Last one. Who is known as the missile man of India?
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam.
Quiz completed. Next time, let's talk about Indian freedom fighters.
Challenge accepted.
Actually, today we have revised a lot of Indian facts.